All can see my screen, right?
Yes.
She, her, her, or let's open one bracket. Okay, let's go with the very limited thing. Women in tech. And say tech star. Or women star engineering. Keep it very limited. And close. One diversity and maybe additional one more diversity will add. Recently, from one of the trainings, we have created a keywords for diversity. That's 6. I think that's gone somewhere, but let's find. That's okay. So let me come back here. Go back here. Diversity 1. Again, add diversity 2. Give priority. Let's take this and let's remove school college girls. One is school focused, other is she, her, and all focused. Third is woman in tech or developer or programmer or women's hackathon. I'll just keep developer. Women's hackathon, hackathon, or now this also. Oh, this is the one. Let's take this part. This Mac is little confusing. I would need some time to get hold of it. Okay, so we say in tech, TECH star. Oh, okay, let me remove these gaps also. And say just woman star. In interest of less space, girl star. I would remove girls, women, and everything. Woman star, female star, girl star.
Lady.
Yeah, and ladies. Okay. Okay, so in tech, we'll take in technology and all everything. Then we'll go with engineering. With this around, we'll go for 8. Women in engineering, women in tech, women in technology, women who code, woman developer, women in tech, women in technology, women in engineering, women in code, women developer, women programmer, or maybe challenge, some challenge or competition. Instead of programmer, let's use coder, coder and challenge. So it's not giving me an option to close the bracket. Tuck, 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 tuck. Okay, develop, develop star challenge and close the bracket. Give priority diversity to okay. Now we go. Let me just add. Wait a second. Let me keep my laptop for charging.
Shiv, do you also have a CSC for finding Chrome extensions?
Huh?
Do you also have a CSC for finding Chrome extensions?
Yeah. For Chrome extension, no, I have it for this one.
Yeah, basically, I have built a CSC for Chrome extension, and then basically I can create a Google alert for it, so that basically that works out easy for me. Like whichever use case I have, I set up a Google alert and I get those alerts into my inbox directly. So,
yeah.
That way I don't have to search for any Chrome extensions.
Even for Play Store is also good, in fact. So now we have added diversity filters. So there are 3 different filters of diversity. So yeah, as we go for first diversity filter, we could see this is more of a college focus instead of engineering and technology for women. They would have done their schooling or college, or they would have stayed in a women's hostel. That's where this keyword is focused. This was pretty much straight. Who would have mentioned she, her, hers? What else we have mentioned here? Search feature, refinement, diversity 1, women in tech, women star engineering. So this is also pretty much straight. Osama Siddiqui, not sure if it is a diversity profile. They would have mentioned something related to women in their profile. That's the reason these profiles are coming in. Come on, F. No, not setting towards woman, she, her. Okay, maybe something she, her, he would have mentioned. He would have given a comment to someone. Or maybe as I mentioned, it still remains.
It has a she, so I think that it is taking from there.
From where?
Sheikh has a she in it, so I think probably it is taking.
Yeah, downline shake.
Okay, let's come back. So this is not pretty much, but yeah, for some extent, we still have that particular woman in engineering, woman in tech, women in engineering, straightforward results, but not 100%. In first use case, it was 100% when we have gone for the colleges. But still, if you see, we have decent enough diversity profile. Maybe a 10%, always there would be a variation because they would have mentioned such kind of a related keywords in their profile. That's the reason it's coming. Now, third use case of this. Okay. This seems to be good. Satya Vivek, not sure if it is diversity name. No, it's a non-diversity. Okay, Amazon Women in Engineering. So he's a member of this. So maybe this another group. So some profiles which are non-diversity, maybe they are the part of those particular groups, and that's reason, or groups or something like that. They would have mentioned, and that's reason it's popping up. So that 10 to 15% of variation is always there when we go for more open-ended searches like women in tech or something like that. But if you see, again, we have 70 to 80% of diversity result. But in first use case, when we have gone for particularly targeting that particular set of women engineering colleges, we have 100%. But otherwise here also it's not bad. So as I mentioned, maybe 10 to 15%, but otherwise the rest thing is also still good. And the best part, this is not limiting me from search limitations of LinkedIn. All right, I'll just take a pause. Questions, follow-ups, doubts. So this practice, it requires a bit of practice.
Shiva, yeah, Shiva, we need to create this custom search for each and every website like LinkedIn, Quora, and GitHub for separately for every
would
sites,
suggest-
or we can use the same to all.
No, I would suggest to create one for each and every site. Have it focused one, like this is basically for SD2. Okay, like that you create one for each particular site with one purpose behind it, so that it's more useful for you. We can also add up to 10 sites over here. Okay, we can also search at a go 10 different sites, but not feasible while searching for profiles. But otherwise, one of my ex-colleague, one of my friend, if you see, like he has created a LinkedIn group also for a job search.
Can you ping again?
Yeah, just give me a second. Let this get open.
Otherwise, ideal would be creating separate for each and every site,
The
right?
ideal would
What
be
you're saying?
creating a separate for each and everything, but otherwise.
You're referring to Raj Kaul, Shiv?
Yeah. So this is the one he has created. This is in the blog. No, not this one. Do you have that link?
Yeah.
Highly recommended. Yeah, this is the one. So here, if you see, so Pulse. So this is his one of an article on a LinkedIn. He has done decent enough of research and published an article. So he looked for the job posting ads whose URLs are unique and publicly available. So he has added all these ATS platforms like Recruiterbox, Lever, JobWide, Greenhouse, Jazz HR, Breezy HR, Workable, Google Hire, Drawin, Fresh Teams. Okay, and when we say Recruiter Bangalore, anyways, first ad, just avoid them. After that, whatever the job postings has been there, it is fetching across the job portals from JobWide, from Lever, from Raisins, from Board Greenhouse, from Whatfix, everything. So likely, as he has mentioned, we can add up to 10 CSCs, 10 sites in one particular CSC. He has added like 10 sites in one particular CSC. But otherwise, Ideally, while searching for profile, have a agenda behind it, and based on your need, create one particular search engine for each requirement. That would be more driving. Like if you see for Germany also, we have created one just now, but otherwise, here I
But
can
we can use the same refinement, or we have to create the refinement also separately.
again refinement. You're creating search engine means you're creating everything from the scratch again.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can
Okay.
you can
For
keep
each
it in
and
the notepad.
each and
Just save it in the notepad, whatever the refinements you're adding, and then you start adding the other ones. If you're creating a new search engine completely from scratch, you're completely creating a new search engine. So here, like here are few of the CSEs on one of my blog. I've consolidated it. So like if you say search on Play Store, let's say if you want to search for Android developer. So first is an ad. Then after that, there are number of apps which has been published in a Play Store, Google Play Store. So there might be some people who has their individual apps. I have not added refinements to this. I'm yet to add, but otherwise, what refinements can be added?
I think we can add, we can mention things like at gmail.com.
Yeah.
Or plus 91. So there we will find some people who have mentioned their contact details.
Downloads and all. So Gmail is something I think it's added. Let me just see in our backend. Search on Play Store, Play Store, Play Store. So yeah, this is Play Store. So we just give this Play Store URL. How does the apps looks like? Search feature, one refinement, email ID, just Gmail or Outlook.com. So now we see we have list of profiles. We can add this additionally number of downloads also. Now we have their email IDs. So these might be the individual profiles, or we can add this also when happen, or installs we can add in a backend, installs around so and so, and maybe whatever the number range we want to give from 5,000 to 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. So these are the companies face Bangalore with their email IDs. They would have been developing this app and selling it to their customers in other locations. So that's the reason this is something in a different language. So these are the individual developers who would have created these apps and would have hosted to Play Store. And if you see their size also, and their installs also is huge. So best platform to search for Android developers, I would say directly go in a Play Store. In case
how to figure out this is individual? How to know this is individual?
They have their personal email IDs.
Okay.
Okay, there might be the official email IDs, or there might be a personal email IDs, but they might not be the individual, but it's still worth a shot.
Okay.
Bangalore bus info.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Let me just stop.
Shiv, I was having one doubt. You had mentioned in the refinement that @gmail.com, @yahoo.com. So can we do right like this? Like you don't have to mention specifically Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, or live.com. Can it directly not search @**.com or something? Is it possible?
No, really difficult.
It will not search. It will not search, right? Because any word, basically, we are saying
@ is something which is not searchable on Google, but for rest of the things we might definitely use.
Okay.
Yeah. So Shiv, you can see my screen.
Yeah.
So this is the same directory piece. So basically there were some things which were after people, so that was not working. When I removed it, it started working. So so basically there's something called more here. So yeah, obviously it would start from A to Z. There's something called more here. So which means, so if we click on this, if we enter this more as the URL, so we get all these people who have used emojis next to their names.
Yeah.
So then basically I use link gopher. I just click on link gopher, then I get all their contact details like this. Well, in fact, not contact details, but yeah. So I'm here on this page. Yeah. So not GitHub profiles, but yeah, all the links it would capture. So I just use extract all links. And yeah, as we can see here, A2. Okay. So we have more 1 to 8, then we have till Z. And from here, it is all candidates.
Here
so we
also,
need to remove what is after. Yeah.
Srini, here also you can go for alphabetical order. Not here in this sheet. The one search page is there, not the one link which I sent. Over there also, if you click again on alphabetical, it will take you to alphabetical extension.
Yes, yeah. So here basically we have this whatever is after yeah, this one question mark. We can remove all that. We can copy this into an Excel and remove everything that is after question mark if we want. And we have all their
concatenate we can do. We can remove means data from table to text we can do, and we can remove those.
Yeah, so this way it is easy.
Amazing. This link, I don't know, like some years back, actually, I got this.
Yeah. So basically, yeah, it is working on Firefox.
It's working Firefox, it works, yeah. Chrome, it's not working, but yeah, Firefox with little slow internet. I don't know.
Yeah, because Google, in fact, LinkedIn has control over Google Chrome, but it doesn't have control on the other ones, like which is not Chromium based. Firefox is not Chromium based, and Edge is also not Chromium based.
Yeah.
So I think that's the reason why it is not able to control. There are other browsers like Vivaldi and even Opera is a Chromium browser, so it doesn't work on those browsers. So we're not able to view directories from there.
Amit, you asked something. You have two separate requirements for diversity and looking for. Now, if I need to search for female, looking for change, I can't run both the requirement at the same, right? So you need to add those both the requirements in one. So let's say we are here. Search features. Refinements. So diversity one, which was working for us. So we added these many. So maybe something I'll have to remove. Let's say I'll remove women's. I'll just keep girl, woman star, girl star, around 7 school. Okay, women engineering college, girls high school, university for women, women's education society, women institute, women college of engineering. Okay, in tech I'll remove. Okay, additionally, maybe just one word. I don't have much space. Look for job. Save. Setup. Oh yeah. So this was the one. Okay, it's not taking, just come to search feature, refinement, diversity, queue priority. Okay, for job, it's not taking. Let's say looking for. Let's say save. No. So we can come back.
It's okay, Shiv. I just wanted to understand ki we can't run two refinements at the same time. We'll need to create third refinement, combining logic of both two refinements, right?
Got it. Yeah, we can add it like we have added here Premium Institute plus looking for plus
Yeah.
contact detail now, like that we can add it. So it's just
Yeah,
that we do not have enough results related to that, so we are not able to, but otherwise we can definitely add it.
Is there any limitation for the number of refinement, or we can create as
Refinement
many
we
as
do not have. Refinement we can add as many.
as right? It's upon our need.
Yeah, that we can add.
We can create only 5 refinement, and all the 5 refinement can we give it at once?
No, one refinement works at one time. So we cannot have 5 refinements working in tandem.
Something gone wrong. Yeah, we are back. See, this refinement, n number of refinements we can add, but in one particular refinement, like Premium Institute plus looking for job, we did add it in the backend, but as a we have a limited space over there, we might not be able to add those many number of keywords. So you can add refinements, but just try to see in case if you have enough space to add the combination of looking for new opportunities and the colleges. Similarly, looking for new opportunities. So when we search for, let's say, if I just take this part, again, add diversity. Right? Okay, so I'll remove IITs. And maybe we are very specific now. Women in tech. Or star engineering. Okay.
So, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
What is the difference between this these two? These two.
Women in tech. One is women in tech, other is women star engineering. So it might give women in engineering, women for engineering, women.
No, not about this. I'm talking about this. Give priority to the site with this label and search only the site, because sometimes you're clicking on this, sometimes clicking on this, right?
No. Always select give priority to the site with this label. If you select this now, it will give priority with all these particular keywords. Has to be there and it won't work. So just try to go always for give priority to this. Don't only search. Don't restrict the searches with this label. Try to give priority.
Okay.
So again, we have created one more refinement, diversity, looking for. So again, go for. So we might run out of time, last 10 minutes, and we'll close off here. This last search will run. So diversity looking for. So yeah, here we have a couple of diversity profiles who has mentioned like looking for job opportunities, looking for early stage women in engineering, looking for new opportunities, looking for roster product and tech leaders, looking for job opportunities. So yeah, it's a combination of that one. So not 100%, but yeah, 50-50, but that's still worth for free of cost. All right, so I'll take a pause. We have last 10 minutes left over, and we'll close off for today. It's been a long, already 10:30.
Shiv, I know you are uploading for 6 batch. Can you please upload this session
This I'll
on
upload.
YouTube?
This I'll upload. This I've recorded everything. This I'll upload.
Thank you.
So is this?
Shiv, I could not get that answer. There was some problem with my internet. I was asking, can we run only say 3 refinements?
It's up to us. How many refinements you want, you add. Only 3 you want, you add only 3. 10 you want, you add 10.
No, I should run the 3, all the 3. Is that
See,
Okay.
first thing, by default, you're running in one in a backend with the skills.
right?
Okay. Second thing, when you come to search feature, you're additionally adding those refinements.
Correct.
Third thing, you're also giving these searches over here, keywords. So try to think loud and try to see how you can use these 3 combinations. So what you are saying, like Premium Institute plus looking for job, something like this. Premium Institute plus looking for job for plus contact details. So though these are the 3 different refinements, but in a backend, as I had a limited space over here. So what we did some of the related keyword which could fetch seeking for new opportunities, some of the keyword which could fetch IIT, NIT or BIT, and only Gmail. So these 3 refinements we did give, but with a very limited space. But if you want to think loud, take a use of all these 3 features. One refinement feature over there, you have good limitation of number of keywords. And then in setup, here also you have a huge limitation, about 35-40 keywords you can give. And after giving those 2 refinement in a backend, again in the front end, you have again 32 keywords refinement. So think loud, try to see how possibly you can make your search all 3 refinements to work for that one particular search. You can do it. So if you see, if I say looking for new opportunities, in a backend, we already give what kind of a colleges, what kind of a skills we need. So that's the reason if you see, when I clicked on looking for new opportunities in a front end, it's still searching for people from the good product companies with a good pedigree. Similarly, if I go with targeted, not required, 3 to 8, maybe let's say 2 to 4 years. Okay, so backend, we already given certain set of keywords. And that's the reason it's still giving us a profiles with a good pedigree. So here we did not search for BITS, Birla Institute or IIT or NIT, or algorithms or data structures or problem solving or writing a clean code or system design or anything or distributed system. But it's still giving a priority only for the profile with those targeted list of keywords who would have written that they got minimum 2 and maximum 4 years of experience in their LinkedIn profile. Doubt or confused?
No, it's just that I wanted to know, say I give only Premium Institute and maybe target companies, only these two from the refinement.
Just give here, Premium Institute and target companies.
Okay.
In keywords,
I want to,
don't give the skills, just give Premium Institute and target companies. Additionally, go to search feature, go to refinements. So let's say this is Premium Institute. As you have a limitation over here, create a list of targeted company. Let's say if you have a list of 50 companies. Okay. So create 10 different requirements. 5 companies, 5 institute, 5 companies, 5 institute, 5 companies, 5 institute. So you are covering all the institute along with all the colleges. Sorry, institute along with all the companies. So let's say you have a list of 50 companies and 10 institutes, but here you have a limitation of giving a number of keywords. Maybe 10 institute you can give, but you cannot give 50 companies. So you may add this institute and additionally 5 companies, 5 companies, 5 companies, 5 companies. So similarly, you look that in a front end, set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, set 5, set 6, so that all the list of targeted companies is also covered and also from the Premium Institute.
got it. So it will come as a set rather.
It will come as a refinement here, but otherwise when you give this Premium Institute and what we say, not here, this is again in the requirement, but otherwise again in the setup, when you're already giving this Premium Institute and all those, it's still working. Additional requirement is to 100% including those set of a result, but otherwise giving a search keyword over here itself does gives a priority to those particular results. Like we just search here, let's say I'll just go for profile with email ID or travel tech medtech is given, let's say diversity only. Okay, so diversity also when we are going, it's still giving us a good pedigree from Amazon, from Flipkart. So in diversity filter in a requirement, we did not give an Amazon, Flipkart or Birla Institute or IIT or NIT, but still it is giving us from the Weller Institute or NITs or Birla Institute or everything. It's still giving a priority for those particular prime institutes. It's still giving with the diversity profiles, targeting the keywords which we have mentioned over here, targeting and giving a priority to the profile which has the keywords which we have mentioned here. Additional restriction when we use that particular search feature as a refinement, that feature we worked only for diversity, but apart from diversity, it is also taking a use of the search filters. Search keywords from here. So not only diversity, one is already diversity, already we're using it. One filter, second filter, keyword filter also already we are using it. And third filter, from here also you're taking a third filter. Let's say I need diversity profile at Uber. So these are all Ubers. Diversity who are working at Uber. And also with the combination of that Premium Institutes from the backend.
All right.
So it still has a combination. So it's still doing the same job. Just think loud. I know you'll be able to do it. Just think loud and we'll connect again next weekend. If we want, we can again have a brush up session on this. Just practice up and try to see in case if you're facing some challenges. If that is the case, again, we'll have a brush up session and be ready with the examples which you're trying to do. And if you're not able to get success, do share it. We are here, me and Srini, we are here to help you out. And again, we'll fine tune the creations.
Thank you.
Shiv, do you use a start.me page for all your links, or how do you do it? Like, or do you just use bookmarks, which is there in the
Start.me, you're saying, huh?
Yeah.
No, Srini, I just bookmark and I don't know what all things. So what I generally do, one gets into the bookmark, and maybe if I want to search for something,